So I open this up and I notice we're leaking. Let's show you how we fix that. Okay, first things first, we have to be sure to empty the system from the Freon. Get that Freon out of there. Okay, so I got my pliers here. Just gonna go ahead and give a nice turn. See that? See how easy that is? There might be a little bit of pressure in here. Don't be scared. We have my new one. Also comes with the little ones. We'll need one of these for this one. Well, actually, we're gonna need a shorter one. Yep, we'll definitely need a shorter one. This one's better. So my vehicle says 24 ounces, which is 1.5 pounds. You have to check and find out what your car takes, because they're all different. And there it is, 1.5 pounds. Exactly. Leak? Let's find out. Put the new one there, put the new one on the low side here, and I put brand new caps. Simple procedure here. And you can do it too. Like and subscribe, everybody. Have a great day.